mayam council na lauba 12 exam gi result out oire hauji result se out oire the result tu yengbiro mayam aduga Manipur top channel gi maikai digi loina mak pass tawbo oiro full mark loina fango adu pass loina tawro ko aduga congratulations and best of luck of ai site gi aduga mayam results yenabgi damakto official website te sangani asida council of higher secondary education direct link do result yenabgi video gi description da hapamage ko aduga si result sida sangani official website ki aduga declare higher secondary examination 2000 declare on 8 haji haidokre sida sangani sang matungda nangi roll number submit tawro 12 ki ko roll number si submit tawro adukana nangi exam result do mathanda thola ani aduga exam result do yengo ma'am mark loina full da phango ko aduga si video si ma'am khang nabi damakta top imanam kangu du share to biyo like to biyo amasung subscribe to biramo ko share to biyo ma'am kaune ko lakshin na ma'am aduga result do yengo ko sida kano tawrakanda ado video je side lusilage aduga first second position third lakpa kangu do adugi video mu mathang de semake ko pung ani hum le kana semake du upload tarake ma'am video si side lusilage ko bye bye